How to download voice chat or audio from WhatsApp on iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, go ahead and open up the WhatsApp from your iPhone, and from the list, go ahead and select the person who you want to download the audio for. So you'll get to see I have two different voice record here, so you can download voice record or audio, whatever it is. So simply go and select the audio or voice record that you want to download, and tap on forward here, and tap on the share icon at the bottom right. Now just need to scroll down, and here you get to see the option called save to file. Just need to tap on this one. This will take you to the file manager, and you just need to select the location and tap on save, and the audio will be saved to that file manager app. If I get back from here and go to the file manager app here, and if I go to the download section, you'll get to see the audio has been downloaded here. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.